Good afternoon, third class children. So today we are going to, yesterday we learned about the new words of this lesson now. The Earth's neighbors. The Earth's neighbors. Today we will go with the explanation part. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the sun, the moon, star, constellations and planets. Okay. So these are the topics which we cover in this lesson. Okay children. So open your social textbook. Okay. And page number is, see, the earth, the earth's neighbors, page number 17 children. Okay. So here, so we know that the sun shines brightly in sky during the day, correct na? In the daytime you can see the sun shines very bright. Okay. It is not seen on a cloudy day. Even cloudy day we will not see the sun. Okay. The moon and stars are seen at night, and in the evening time, in the night time, we will see the moon and stars in the sky. Okay, so we can say that the sun and moon are the earth's neighbor, correct na? So by this we can tell that, okay, on earth what we will see? Morning times we will see the sun, night time we will see the moon and stars. So for this earth, sun, okay, for earth's neighbors are what? Sun, moon and stars. Okay. So what is the lesson? The earth's neighbor. So ours is earth. In earth what we are seeing? Sun we are seeing, moon we are seeing and stars we are seeing. Okay. So TH, the EARTH, earth, S apostrophe S, earth's, okay, neighbors, NEIGHBOURS, neighbors. Okay. So the sun, we will take about the sun topic. Okay, the sun is a star made up of hot burning gases. So how the sun looks? It's made of hot burning gases. Okay, it is at the center of the solar system. Where it is located? It is at the center of the solar system. It is much bigger in size than the earth. It is very bigger than earth. Okay, all the planets move around the sun. So all the planets, okay, all planets move around the sun. Okay, now see the picture here. The sun rises in the east, spreading its ray beautifully. See here, the sun is rising now. Okay, and see how the rays are falling. Okay, see, east, where it rises in the east, spreading its rays beautifully. Okay, see the picture here. So here, turn the page next. The sun is important to us because for what purpose we need sun? Okay, it is source of life on earth since it emits light and heat. Okay, why? It's a source of life on earth because sun, okay, it gives light, it emits light and heat for earth. Okay, plants prepare food in the presence of sunlight. So what are plants we are growing? How they will grow? With the help of sun rays. Okay, with the help of presence of sunlight only the plants will grow. Okay, the energy obtained from the sun is also called the solar energy. See here, solar cooker is given here. So the energy which is produced from the sun rays are the solar. See here, cooker is there. Solar energy, the energy obtained from the sun is also called solar energy. This solar energy can be used to cook food in solar cooker. So how this solar energy is useful for us? For cooking purpose. With the help of solar cooker, okay, when you keep the cooker on the top of your terrace, okay, you can cook with this energy. What are the sunlight, the rays, with that energy you will cook, you can cook the food. It can also be used to light up the streets at night and to run cars, even for running the car also, for lighting, okay, for lighting also this sun, okay, sun rays are useful. Okay, so sun is the only body in the solar system which has its own light. Okay, sun is the only, okay, in other planets we are, okay, they won't have the light, but sun is the only planet which has a okay, light on its own. Okay, see here children, test yourself is given children here. Test yourself is given, see some, okay, pictures are 8 planets are there here. By seeing the picture you have to, okay, mark this. Okay, first one is what, which planet is the closest to the sun, which planet is closest to the sun. By seeing this picture you can tell that. Okay, see, by seeing the picture you can tell. Okay, Mercury. Okay, which planet is the farthest from the sun? Neptune. Okay, Neptune. Okay, and which is the biggest planet? See, by seeing the picture only you can tell Jupiter is the biggest planet. Okay, which is our home planet? Which is our home planet? Earth. Earth is our home planet. See how Earth is looking so small, is it? Means other planets are so big, na? So which planet has rings around it? See, only one planet is having rings around it, that is Saturn. Okay, so next comes to the point of moon. Okay, moon, the moon is round like a ball. How the moon looks? By seeing only the night time you will get, and by seeing that you can see the moon looks like a ball, white ball. Correct or not? It is the closest neighbor of the earth. It is very close to the, near to the earth. Okay, the moon is much smaller in size than the sun. Okay, when compared to sun and moon, okay, moon is very small. Okay, and very small in size. It looks big because it is much closer to the earth than the sun, because sun is very far to earth. But because if the sun is near to us also, it's very hot for us. Correct or not? Even we cannot say near to the sun. Correct or not? In summer season, can we stay in the on the terrace without wearing the slippers or what? No, because the sun rays were very hot, na. Just imagine the house, how the sun will be hot. Okay, so here sun is very far to us. That's why we cannot by seeing that we can say that sun is very small and moon is very near to the earth. That's why it looks big for us. Okay, the moon moves around the sun, earth. So moon, what moon will do? It will moves around the earth. Okay, the 8 planets will, okay, it will round around the sun and the earth. Okay, moon moves around the earth. It is called the Earth's natural satellite. So what is Earth's natural satellite? Our Earth's natural satellite is moon. Satellites are bodies that move around planets. Satellites are what? It's a body which move around the planets. Okay, the moon has no light of its own. Okay, moon is not having light of its own. It is shines because of the sun's light falling on it. Because of the sunlight only, moon is also, okay, having light on it. Okay, so water was discovered on the moon in September 2009. So some people went to the, okay, space and moon, okay, and they found that water is there in the moon. Okay, water was discovered on the moon in September 2009, but there is no air. Okay, some people went to the moon space, but there water is there but no air. Okay, no, life is not possible on the moon. Okay, life is not possible on the moon because we need air. See, if you close your this nose for some time, will you able to, without taking air breather from mouth, can you hold can you stay for some, no? We can't, because without air we cannot live. Okay, the first man to land on the moon was a American astronaut. Who? First man who stepped on the moon is a, okay, he's from America. Okay, Neil Armstrong. Okay, he set foot on the moon on, okay, on moon, okay, 20 July. See here, picture also given. 20th July 1969 on the space mission Apollo 2. Apollo 2, okay, July 20, 1969. Okay, who is Neil Armstrong? So the man on the moon's surface, where see moon how it is looking, Okay, so on the moon's surface, he stepped a foot. Okay, so next come to the point of stars. The stars, there are many thousands of stars in the sky. Okay, all stars have light of their own since they are huge balls of fire. Okay, see many millions of stars we are seeing on the sky. Okay, why they look small? They are very far from our earth. Okay, even they have their own light. Okay, and since they are huge balls of fire, many stars are much longer than even the sun. Even some stars will be very bigger when compared to the sun also. They appear small because they are quite far from us. I told you, no? So they look small for us. Okay, when compared to sun, but these stars are very far from our earth. Next, there are countless twinkling stars in the sky. See here, picture is given. See, and okay, here groups of stars form patterns that looks like figures of animals. See, some groups of okay stars. Okay, when we sleep on the terrace, sometimes we see sky means what we will do, we will just imagine the okay adding the dots, correct or not, by just imagining. So if you adding if you patterns if you make with the stars, what you will do, you find some animals, peoples or things. Such patterns are called constellations. What are called constellations? Okay, here are a few constellations. Great Bear is one of the clearest constellations. See here picture is given for us. Great Bear, you are able to see Great Bear is there, and Scorpius is there, Scorpion is there. See, second picture is Scorpion. Okay, and third one is Leo the lion. Leo the lion. Okay, the biggest, brightest star that we see in the sky is the polar star. Polar star. The brightest star that we see in the sky is the polar star. Okay, so moon, the sun, moon, and the stars are the neighbors of the earth. Now you are understand now how the moon looks, how the sun looks, how the stars are there, how much far stars are with the earth. Okay, this all we learned in this lesson. Children, once again go to the video. Okay, repeat this video again, recap this video, see again. You can just keep your book in front of you and listen the lesson very properly. Okay, so with this your lesson is completed. Third lesson, children, I will send you the I will WhatsApp you the objective part. Okay, meanwhile you have to go through with your hard words, new words, and this lesson too. Okay, children, thank you all, have a nice day.